Oxygen level running low as COVID cases spike the demand in Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links WSM TV News Report. Jamaica's sole producer of medical oxygen, IGL, has run out of the supply and has advised hospitals and medical practitioners to carefully use what they have on hand until the situation can be remedied, hopefully by next week, Monday. This development coincided with a declaration made by the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, that public hospitals will only be conducting emergency services as COVID cases exceed the current capacity for isolation. The Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, in confirming the oxygen supply shortage, said that the situation has risen due to the high demand, but the government is trying to manage the problem. Yesterday, Jamaica recorded the highest number of hospitalization of COVID patients, with some 739 people in facilities island-wide. 92 were critically ill and 61 moderately ill, meaning that they would, among other things, require oxygenation. In the meantime, doctors at the Mapin Hospital were advised by IGL that they ran out of the bulk oxygen at 10:30 p.m. Friday night and that there is no more oxygen supply to come over the weekend. The doctors have also been told by their superior to be vigilant in turning off oxygen supply if patients leave their bed or if eating. The managing director of IGL, Mr. Peter Graham, could not be reached for a comment. Meanwhile, senior medical officer at the Mapin Hospital, Dr. Bradley Edwards, said that the institution is responding to the shortage. He stated that the hospital has utilized strategies in order to use what they have for now. A saturation level of 92% is now being used to determine if patients need oxygen. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.